I love quad biking, and here in Cape Verde there's no shortage of bikes. So why should you go for No Limits Adventure quad bike tours? Well, we're going to find out.
These quads aren't your standard bike. These have been fully kitted out, including radiator relocation kits, LED light panels, and with 500cc, you're ready to go anywhere.
Now we are at Buracona. It's the place we stop to see the blue eye. The sun needs to be reflecting inside the hole, and we can have the amazing view from the blue eye, the phenomenon called blue eye. But the place is not just about the blue eye, of course. There is a restaurant inside. There is a toilet as well. There is a maquette from Sal. Okay. Also, you can have a look and take some pictures. We can explain about Sal a little bit more in this tour.
I have had so much fun on this 4-hour tour. Not only have I got to enjoy this amazing machine driving through the sand dunes along the coast up on the volcano there, but you get to see all the hot spots of Sal. And here we end at Shark Bay.